Okay, so if you're on YAYA, just click online. That is if you want to start working and if you want to receive any call, because there was a call that always pop up on screen. It's like matching call, unexpected call. Okay, so if you online, this system notice will give you message. Okay, so way of earning is like click on me, click on task, always sign in from Monday to Sunday. Always sign, don't forget. Okay, you see this cumulative for now, just 80 minutes every day. Then when you are on level 1, they will be giving you 50, but because I'm on level 5, so they giving me 100. You see this 20.00, that's night from 8 p.m. I don't know, they are 8 p.m. in Nigerian time, I don't know, from 8 p.m. till 11 p.m. Then when you finish, you will get your coin. You see this video is like is that this one, just record like this, then update. You see this second video that plus 20, just post like over 30 seconds, yeah, then post it, maybe 31 or 32, just post it. So click on task again. You see this get coin is when you call a user that is over 300 seconds, maybe like 6 minutes call or 7 minutes call with one user, just one user, then you will get your coin. You see this gift box is when you receive any kind of gift from users, then we collect your bonus. Okay, on this place is when you want to message anybody by yourself, you want to message user, this man now, like this, then messages strangers, all the strangers messages you see there on strangers. So continuation, so like that. If you're on match, this is yeah, okay. Now you see you see the picture, you see this moment, post any picture that is attractive, people will like it like this. As I can message him. You see, if you want to write your phone, just write like this. Okay, but if you write like this, it will bring, it will not if you write like this, it's okay, but if you write like you see the play, they bring star. But if you want to write your play, you see, because I put full stop in between the tool and play, that is why. If I write like this, that you see that they will write star like that. And any picture you send in this app, it can be deleted. It can be deleted like this. Now if you want to send any picture, just send any of your picture like this. So but it can be deleted, so that is it. This is all my moments, you see. And again, if you see any user that called you before, and his call was long, just click like this on his name and stick on top, okay? And you'll be checking on him anytime he's online, so that maybe he will call you back or something, or he send you gift. So that's all. If I click on matching call now, I think everybody know matching call. If you are on matching call, if you reach 3 matching call, it can't read with coin, it will just be counting. If you reach 3 matching call, they will give you plus 3 coin. If you reach 30, they will give you another. If I click on it now, the first one to show